are required to install the Culligan handheld shower head. Begin by removing the existing shower head from the shower pipe by turning shower head counterclockwise. Clean away any debris that may be present on the threaded pipe. Wrap supplied Teflon tape tightly around shower pipe threads 2 to 3 turns to prevent leaking. Place mounting bracket on the shower arm and tighten by hand, turning clockwise. Insert one supplied black rubber washer into the small threaded end of the shower hose and attach hose to the mounting bracket. Insert the other supplied black rubber washer into the larger threaded end of the shower base and attach to the threaded end of the shower head handle. Position the shower head in the mounting bracket. Turn water on and check for leaks and tighten as necessary. If additional tightening is necessary, use protective cloth on the nut and tighten with a wrench. Flush cartridge for 5 minutes. Note: after testing water flow of installed shower head and its determined flow is not adequate, the shower head flow restrictor located inside the swivel joint of the shower head can be removed. The flow restrictor restricts flow of water out of the shower head at 2.0 GPM. In areas of low water pressure, where flow may already be below 2.0 GPM, you may opt not to use the flow restrictor. You're now ready to enjoy fresh, shower-filtered Culligan water.